Hi YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today I'm talked about Windows 11 new feature which they introduce. If you are new on channel, make sure to subscribe. Finally, Microsoft is rolling out Android apps on Windows 11 officially. Watch the video to know more. Let's begin. Microsoft announced Android apps on Windows 11 preview for Windows insiders and the beta testers. This new feature only available for United States users. Microsoft also said that Dev channel is now on build from a new development cycle. So Dev builds users will have to wait till the next announcement, and as of now, I don't have any clue about this feature for public release users. If you are a beta build users Windows 11 latest and residing in the United States, you'll need to follow some simple steps. To get started, your PC needs to be on Windows 11, build 22000 series builds, and meet these hardware requirements. You may need to enable virtualization for your PC's BIOS. Click here for a guide on how to enable this on your PC. Make sure you're running Microsoft Store version 22110.1402.6.0 or higher. You can check for updates for Store by going to your library and clicking the Get Updates button. Your PC's region must be set to the US. Your PC must be in the beta channel. If you are new to the Windows Insider program, click here to get started with registration and joining your PC to the beta channel. You will also need to have a US-based Amazon account to use the Amazon App Store. After that, just click here to go to the Microsoft Store, which will guide you through the steps to verify if your device meets the minimum system requirements, set up your environment, and discover right away the new Android apps and games. The new component that powers Android apps on Windows 11 through the Amazon App Store is called the Windows Subsystem for Android trademark, and you will see a listing for it under your Start menu where you can adjust specific settings for the experience. The version of Windows Subsystem for Android trademark being released today is version 1.7.32815.0. Updates for the Windows Subsystem for Android trademark will automatically come through the Microsoft Store. If the PC requires a restart, the Amazon App Store will automatically launch after restart, or you can launch it from the Start menu. Click here for more general information on Windows Subsystem for Android. And for developer documentation, click here. Giving feedback. As you use the preview of Android apps on Windows 11, there are a few ways to give feedback based on the issue you are experiencing. Some known issues. Microsoft Store. The Microsoft Store does not display review ratings for Amazon App Store apps. Amazon App Store. If you are experiencing Amazon App Store sign-in problems, turn your ad blocker off. Accessibility options are not yet enabled when using the Amazon App Store. Windows Subsystem for Android. Network access issues on cellular LTE on ARM64. May see display visual artifacts on certain applications on ARM64. Performance may vary when running multiple concurrent apps. There are known camera issues on certain apps. Apps coming out of modern standby will encounter issues.